Did I give you all homework last class?
Ma'am, you said that you will only not give the homework.
Okay, I'm just asking if I gave or not. I'm sharing my screen. Please let me know if it's visible. Okay. So we saw the different types of tests that can be done for the presence of different types of nutrients. I hope my screen is visible. Yeah. So this is where we ended in. Okay. So now let's talk about something we didn't actually stress upon. So we know that we have something called the dietary fibers. Can anyone tell me what this dietary fibers is? What did we learn?
Ma'am, roughage.
Roughage. Okay. What else?
The part of a plant which is not digested.
Very good. Okay. Any new answers? Okay, great. So dietary fibers, they are something that add bulk to the food. Okay. Bulk means all the food that we have is, for example, this is the food that we're consuming. Okay, we're having carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Now, the fibers that we consume, you know that this is only this much is the thickness. Okay. Now, the fiber that we consume is of, it's adding bulk, it's adding mass to the food. So this is the fiber. Okay, so it adds bulk to the food. Okay, and humans, they cannot use fiber as a nutrient, because normally what a nutrient does is it adds up some property to the body. One, it will help you grow, or it will help in clotting of the tissues, or it will help in immunity. Okay, so or enrich blood flow. So the things like this that it contributes to the body, only then they are called a nutrient. But fibers is not a nutrient, because it does nothing to the body. It does something to the food, not the body. What it does to the food? One, it adds bulk. Two is it helps in the easy movement of the food in the digestive system. These are the two main functions of the fibers. Okay, so I asked you for fiber, you should be able to tell me that it adds bulk to the food, as well as it helps in the easy movement of the food in the digestive system. Okay, and other thing, obviously water. The more water you have, the more clean your body is, the more waste is eradicated from your body. Okay, fine. Next, let's come to the deficiency diseases. So before we talk about deficiency diseases, how can we prevent this deficiency disease? Prevention is better than cure. What does the statement mean? Anybody knows what it means?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
What does it mean? Prevention is better than cure. Nobody? Fine.
Ma'am, can I?
Tell me.
Ma'am, prevention means if we have any disease, slowly we will get will sort out why that disease, and then cure means like um,
No, that wasn't a clear answer. Anyways, this will be your homework. Okay. You all can note the question down. Okay. So Yeah, so there's something called balanced diet. What is balanced diet, people?
A diet that contains all the nutrients in an adequate amount is called a
Very,
balanced diet.
that's called balanced diet. Excellent. Okay, so balanced diet is a diet that has all the necessary nutrients and the amount that is needed for the functioning of the body. Okay, now let's talk about the deficiency diseases. What are the diseases that will come if you don't add any nutrient in your body?
Mom will be deficient to that nutrient.
Yeah, we are deficient with that nutrient. So the term deficient means lack of. That is the meaning of deficient. Okay, deficiency diseases means diseases that arise due to lack of something in your body, and that something is nutrients over here. Okay, so deficiency diseases are caused by lack of certain nutrients. These diseases, they can be treated with the help of a balanced diet. So balanced diet only will help cure this deficiency diseases. If the body is deficiency in vitamin, then we get vitamin deficiency. If it's deficiency in protein, protein deficiency, like that. Okay, so scurvy, then we have rickets, we have different types of deficiency diseases. So if minerals are deficient in your body, then you will get mineral deficiency. Okay, now anemia. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of what? Anybody?
Mom,
Iron.
of iron. Why? Because our red blood cells needs.
Okay, so iron, yeah, it's right. It's iron. And also weak bones and teeth is due to deficiency of phosphorus. Okay, so apart from this table, I'll draw another table for you all. One minute. I'm just writing it in a new page over here. Please make note of it. Okay. So I'm writing all the vitamins and minerals name over here. Please write along with me. Okay. Since this is a recap lesson, I don't want to take a lot of time. Vitamins and minerals I'm writing over here. All the deficiency diseases that I'm writing it over here. And what all symptoms you will get. So first, we have vitamin A. If we don't have vitamin A in our body, what is the deficiency disease caused by it? Sritej, can you tell me?
Poor eyesight.
Poor eyesight. Okay. So that is one of a symptom. You have poor vision. Sorry?
Night blindness.
Night blindness is the disease. Poor eyesight you will have, or you might have complete vision loss. This is in the darkness. Okay. I hope you all are writing along with me. Then we have, very good, Sritej. Then we have vitamin B1. What is this called? Deepika. What deficiency disease does vitamin B cause?
Ma'am, is it berry berry?
Very good. Causes beriberi. What are the symptoms of beriberi? How does beriberi look like?
Mom,
Very,
Wait,
like
Advika.
pimples.
Advika, wait. Whoever I'm calling out, please, I want only them to answer. Yeah, Deepika.
very,
Normally, how does an individual who has beriberi look like?
can you pardon me again?
Sorry?
Can you tell it once again?
What if an individual has beriberi? How will he or she look like if they have beriberi?
Um,
They'll be very
they will be very weak,
weak. Very good. And they'll be very thin. So they'll have a lot of weight loss. These are the symptoms. Okay. Okay, Deepika. Good. Third, we have vitamin C. Adrit,
Yes, ma'am.
what does vitamin C deficiency cause?
Scurvy.
Scurvy. Very good. So, what are the symptoms of scurvy? How does an individual that has scurvy, how does that individual look like?
I'm blind at the bone.
Sorry?
I'm blind at the bone.
At the bone. Which part of the body does scurvy affect? Night blindness affects the eyes. Beriberi affects the body. Scurvy affects? No idea.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Soumya. Sorry? I wasn't able to hear you, Soumya.
What, ma'am? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me. Scurvy affects which part of the body?
Ma'am, it mostly affects the muscles.
Scurvy affects the muscles. How does scurvy affect the muscles?
Ma'am, the skin.
No. Aishwarya, can you help her? Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am.
Scurvy affects which part of the body? Of the whole human body? Which part does it affect?
Teeth.
Teeth. This is something you should be aware of by now. It's the most simple question. Scurvy affects the teeth. So how does a teeth that has scurvy look like, Aishwarya? Now, if I have scurvy, how will my teeth look like?
Ma'am, it will be bleeding.
It will be bleeding. Exactly. Bleeding gums is the major symptom.
Ma'am, can it be tooth decay?
No, it cannot be tooth decay. Bleeding gums is the only sign. It is a sign, it's a symptom that shows that you have scurvy. Tooth decay is called what? Deepika, tooth decay is called? In case you have a tooth decay, what will the doctor say you have? I can't hear you, Deepika. I can't hear you.
hello,
Yeah, better.
can you repeat?
Now you have tooth decay. The doctor checks on it. What will the doctor say you have? You have a Starts with C.
Cavity.
Cavity. Okay, tooth decay is not scurvy, it's cavity. Okay, Advika. Okay. Then we have vitamin D. Advika.
It is the deficiency of vitamin D can cause rickets.
Rickets, very good.
The symptoms can be weak bones.
Weak bones, excellent.
And when we will hit it, then it can also break.
Yeah, so you'll have tender bones, soft and tender bone. Please write it along. Tender bones. This is the major symptom. Very good, Advika. Okay. Soumya and Adrit are the only ones who haven't given me complete answers. So Soumya, try for the second one. Do you know what vitamin E causes? Okay, this is a bit difficult. This is something that I didn't teach you all. It's fine. So vitamin E causes something called the Crohn's disease. Okay, I'll show you the images for you all. It's called Crohn's disease. So normally an individual who has Crohn's disease, they have rapid aging. They age very quickly and they have a very pale skin. So pale skin and rapid aging are the main criteria for considering if you have Crohn's disease.
Ma'am, what was after pale skin?
Rapid aging. Okay, these are the symptoms of Crohn's. I think many of you must have at least experienced this once in lifetime. Have you all experienced this?
Ma'am, now I was even not drinking water.
Yeah, so this doesn't mean you have Crohn's disease and all. This is one of the symptom. Okay, you will have rashes over your body. So you can see your body is like wrinkling and all, like you're aging. Wrinkles, your eyes and all become red.
Why?
Sorry,
Ma'am, what will happen to eye?
eye becomes red. You can see the veins and all, no, in the eyes. It becomes very red, becomes very dry. So this is pale skin and rapid aging for Crohn's disease. Then we have calcium. Now, Saumya, I want you to answer this. What will happen if you don't have calcium in your body?
What if we don't have calcium?
Calcium.
Ma'am, we will not feel very strong. We feel so weak.
Why? Why is that?
Because we're not having our calciums in our food.
Okay, so this affects what? Does it affect our muscle? Does it affect our skin? What does it affect?
Ma'am, it affects our bones.
Our bones. Very good. So you'll have very brittle bones. Okay, and this brittle bones or calcium deficiency is called osteoporosis or osteomalia. Osteomalacia. This is how you pronounce it. Okay, osteomalacia and osteoporosis. I might ask this for question. I'm telling you now itself. So please note down the spelling very, very carefully. You lose one letter, you lose 1 mark. Osteomalacia or osteoporosis. Okay. Now,
Can you show photos?
this is how your bones will be affected. The bone mass will all break down. It's not visible outside.
And we'll get holes.
It will become porous. Like you can see a healthy bone, no, there's no gap. It's all strong. It becomes a lot of gaps will be there in between. So you can easily break the bone. After osteoporosis, yes, da.
In the bones, the sponge is there, right? Will
Yeah.
it affect them?
Will it affect?
The sponge?
Yeah, definitely. That's the thing that makes up the bone, right? That is sponge image only they're showing you over here. See? This is sponge only. It becomes more porous, which makes the bone very brittle. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then after calcium, we have phosphorus. Shritesh, know any idea what phosphorus deficiency causes?
I have no idea.
Okay. So phosphorus actually causes rickets also. Causes rickets and bad teeth. Bad teeth in the sense you will not have uniformity. It's all be jumbled everywhere. Okay. So bad teeth. So you will have twisted limbs. Obviously, you know, rickets, one of the main criteria is twisted limbs. You will be having limbs like this instead of like this. So you, for rickets, that is deficiency of vitamin D, you can also write twisted limbs. Okay. Then you have unformed teeth.
Ma'am, can you show a photo of that teeth?
No, that is not necessary because general. You can just imagine you now you know your teeth is uniform and set, no. Whereas in rickets, you will sorry for bad teeth, you will be having all jumbled teeth here and there, not in line, which makes it difficult for you to eat, difficult for you to brush, like that. Then you have iron deficiency. We all know this. What does it cause?
Anemia. Anemia.
Yeah. So, what is the symptom of anemia? Anybody?
Weakness.
Weakness mainly is low
Loss of red blood.
loss of red blood cells. Very good. So, RBCs. It's all low. Okay. Okay. Deepika, what is iron deficiency cause? Sorry, iodine deficiency cause?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, let me see. Deepika, no
No.
idea? Yeah, tell me.
Can you repeat once again?
Iodine deficiency causes?
Goiter.
Goiter. Very good. Advika, tell me the symptom.
That our neck will be swollen and which our hair. Our brain also needs some iodine to work, and we'll get some mental disorder.
Okay, but it's not confirmed because not every patient who has goiter will have a mental issue. But main symptom is swollen neck. That is, the swollen neck is you have a gland inside your neck. Anybody knows what gland it is?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it's called as a thyroid gland. Thyroid gland only will be swollen.
Ma'am, the neck will be very heavy.
Heavy, like you'll have like a big clot. It's not heavy. It's just filled with pus. It's just spongy. That's it. Be having your neck It will be like this. I have the image already. Wait. This is how goiter looks like. And this is how scurvy looks like. This is rickets. And this is what I told you. This is tooth decay or cavity. All right. Have you all made note of everything?
No, ma'am, can you give 2 minutes?
Yeah. Please make it quick.
From this much only.
Yeah, only this much.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. One minute. Please tell me your name when you're done. Okay.
Ma'am, this is Ritesh. I'm done.
Okay, I just have a call. Okay, I just have a call. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, please make note of it.
Ma'am, this is Soumya. I'm done.
Okay. Anybody else? I hope all are done.
I'm done, Aishwarya.
Okay. Fine. So we all know that most of the discussed part over here is vitamins. So these vitamins are very, very essential and they are very, very important. They are very, very important compared to the other nutrients because they have many different categories from A to K. So vitamins are essential nutrients that will help us maintain a normal body function. Okay, and it also helps mainly in immunity, that is to fight off different infections. So fruits and vegetables are the major source of vitamin. All these points, note it down what I'm telling you. I might ask you the question. Fruits and vegetables are major sources of the vitamin. Okay. So vitamins, they also keep our eyes, bones, and teeth and our skin very healthy. So now we're going to see the function of different vitamins. So the first function of vitamin A is to keep our skin and our eyes very healthy. Whereas vitamin B, normally called vitamin B1 complex, is useful for the function of the cell. You know that each cell has to function properly. It helps in the cell function and it also helps the body use energy from the food that we eat. Vitamin C It helps to heal all the wound. We're getting hurt, it helps in the healing, and it also helps in maintaining a healthy gum. So you know that vitamin C causes scurvy. So once you know what the vitamin causes, you can easily find out what it's used for. So vitamin C causes, if a deficiency causes scurvy, means that if you have vitamin C, it helps in healthy gums. That's it. Then it also fights infections. Vitamin C increases immunity. That is why it fights infections. Vitamin D, you know that it causes rickets. So if you have vitamin D in your body, you will have good bones. So it helps in keeping the bones healthy and also the teeth. So vitamin D, it uses calcium to use for the bones. The bone doesn't directly consume calcium. It consumes calcium when the vitamin D helps calcium reach the bone. Then vitamin E, it maintains healthy skin and also hair. It slows down your aging and it is a powerful antioxidant. What is the meaning of antioxidant? Anybody? A substance that prevents spoiling, prevents oxidation. You know that in chips packet they're putting a nitrogen air and giving, you know, why they're filling it with nitrogen air? To prevent it from oxidation, to prevent it from getting spoiled. So your body also similarly, for your body, now when you die, after your body dies, your body starts rotting, right? Why? Because oxidation happens. There is no vitamin E in your body is dead. That is why oxidation is happening and spoiling is happening. To prevent spoiling only, we need vitamin E, which acts as a powerful antioxidant. Okay, and then you have finally vitamin K. Vitamin K is very important for blood clotting. Okay, and it also helps in healing and body repair. Am I clear? Clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you have noted down the homework. So I hope the homework
Yes,
is
ma'am.
okay. Then you have the minerals. Okay, you know that minerals is very important as it contributes to the bones as well as helps in growth and good health. So minerals are important substances. Minerals are important substances that actually help your body to form and function on very different levels. Okay, so minerals is essential for all the metabolic functions. What is the meaning of metabolic functions? What is the meaning of metabolism?
Digestion.
Basically a part of digestion. Okay, anybody else? The conversion of food into energy is only metabolism. The food that you eat, is getting converted into energy. This is only metabolism. This metabolism is done by the minerals. Okay, so metabolic functions like growth, organ function, everything is taken care of the minerals. So important minerals that we require are, you have zinc. So make note of all this and I'm writing itself. So calcium is a mineral. Calcium, phosphorus, you have magnesium, you have sodium, potassium, all these are minerals. Okay, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is special homework. Okay, I think Saumya is supposed to note it down. So the question is, what are the negative impacts of junk food? Soumya, I want this answer and the before questions answer. And the rest of the class, I want all of you to send me the answer today or tomorrow. Tomorrow you will be having your science class. So your classes will be on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, if there's any doubt, please text me. And I don't want one-line answers. At least it should be 4 to 5 lines, the answers that you guys write. Okay, once you have noted it down, you can leave the class.
And this is at the time done.
Okay, Adrit. Let's see you. Bye.
Done.
You can leave now. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.